He has made everything beautiful in its time. Also, He has put eternity in their hearts, except that no one can find out the work that God does from beginning to the end. Ecclesiastes 3:11.
Hey guys, so this is Lily's brother, back again with another video on a nail tutorial. Yes, a nail tutorial, guys. So we are going to be showing you guys how to achieve a rigged Gel-X Aprés system. For all my nail people out there, you may know this. And this system can be kind of pricey, so this is a rigged version of it, you know. Not to discredit what they do, what they do is good, but you know, this is just a cheaper alternative that actually works just as fine, and it's similar to what they do. All right, so we're gonna start off by filing the inside of our nail tip. These nail tips that we have are really, really nice because they are thick at the end, you know, so it gives you that support for people who like to do it. Yes, so now we're gonna be applying the gel, which is polygel. We're using polygel. The polygel to the actual nail and taking the thumbnail tip and pressing it down firmly onto the nail while we hold that in place and reach for our lamp to cure it for 60 seconds. UV light for 60 seconds. And make sure you hold it down too, because sometimes it will lift and you don't want lifting, so hold it down. Alright, so there goes another nail. We're applying the gel to it. You need to just pat it down just to fill up the whole entire nail bed. And then you're going to take and just clean up all the sides and then take it and just apply pressure to hold down the nail tip. And then put on the light for 60 seconds. And like after about 10 seconds, you can probably let go. And this is the final product. And now we're going to be choosing our design. And we went with some flowery sticker ones that we got from like, I think a kit. And they actually ended up being really nice, and we used it for the nail design. I think we went between like the purple, but yeah, you'll see. It actually ended up looking really nice, and we're gonna put that on the middle finger. Yes, I decided to place it like a cross, you know, like, yeah, like that. Yes, I decided to place it across the nail, and you just press it in firmly. Use your fingers to just press it on. I use a tweezer to place on the stickers because it is just easier, and you don't like take any tape with it. So yeah, it's just, I find it easier. So now we're just doing like a florally design, which looks really nice. I love the look. It was really nice. Yes, and then we just added like another thing just to complete the line. It's something that you see there. And as you can see, these nails look very, very nice and like organized. No need to file if you get the right type of, you know, nail tips. So now I am filing around, cleaning up the cuticle area with my e-file just to get away any polygel that might have squeezed over into it and just to flush the nail tip into the nail. So I'm gonna go around and just do that for all the nails. This just makes sure that you have like a good clean nail set, you know? And now we decided to add some shimmery, it looks like a pearly nail polish. Yes, guys, nail polish. We never use nail polish, you know. It's always gel polish. But this is just a really nice pearly nail polish that we have. Nail polish, and we decided to cover the whole entire thumb and the pinky. I went in with a secondary brush to just fade the pinky because we kind of wanted like a ombre-ish type of effect with the pearly thingy. I don't know if we achieved it, but it was like kind of faint, so you really can't see it too much. And then we decided to go in with some gold foil.
Silver.
silver foil. And all you do is just cut that thing up and just put on the nail and just place it in nice placements. Just achieve the best look for your client or for yourself. Yeah, comment down below. Do you think these are like Instagram nails? You try to do something, but like, you know, it's actually pretty hard choosing like a nail design. So guys, whenever you go to your nail techs, do not ask them to do whatever they want, because you know what? Sometimes it's hard. It's hard to think what's popping. Like, it took us like a while to like come up with this design. So I don't know. Hope you guys like it. You know, I think I'm pretty proud of myself. And like the system, I'm telling y'all, it's the truth. Yeah, it's quick and it's easy to do. Like, honestly, like, it's literally just boom, 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 done. It's one of the best ones I like to use for most of people who come, if they don't like want color and all that other stuff. And plus, these nail tips, I don't know if Lily can link it in the bottom, but these nail tips are the truth. You could do it at home. We're gonna link everything in the description box. You can do this at home. Or you can come to me. You know? We're taking clients very soon. We're gonna start an Instagram page, maybe. I enjoy doing nails, but like I don't enjoy it so much yet. So like I enjoy it, but I like some days I'm just like, it's too much. It's like a lot of patience, but this is a quick way of doing it. Quick way of achieving a look. It's almost like press-ons, but like this is like a more permanent, like a longer lasting press-on. And like as you can see, like the nail polish on her thumb, like it's, you can see the pearliness of it. So now we're gonna be attaching some bling. Yes, you know guys, we all love some bling on our nails. So we're teaching you how to make your crystals stay on your nails longer. So what you're gonna do is take some of that polygel, the clear polygel, pat it down wherever you want to place your crystals, lay it flat, make sure it's flushed onto the nail, and then you want to grab your crystals. Oh no, sorry. You're gonna want to put top coat over the polygel. Yes, top coat over the polygel. And if you're doing glass nails like this, under the nail, to give it that clear look. Like if you're guys gonna see, like it's gonna be like really clear, like glassy nails, like jelly nails, jelly nails. All right, so then you're gonna be placing your diamonds. Swarovski. Not Swarovski. This is plastic China diamonds. Don't get it twisted. You're not going to be overcharged for these blings at where I am. But we're going to charge you for the bling, but we're not going to overcharge you like some of these nail techs. No shade. But we're going to be placing the crystals on. They shine just like Swarovski's. Like, don't get it twisted. Like, you're going to put them at the cuticle and place them into the polygel. You know? Into the polygel. We're placing the crystals into the polygel. Where we applied the top coat just to make sure that the crystals are secure and they last longer on the nails. Because some of us know that whenever we go to the nail salon, you know, and they put the crystals on, like they'll just use top coat to stick the crystals down. Yeah, that don't work. This is the truth. Shout out to Long Hair Pretty Nails. If you guys watch her on YouTube, this is where we got this little hack from, and it's a lifesaver. It's a lifesaver. So we're loving the bling. Bling. So there's a larger crystal in the middle, and we want the smaller crystals at the end just to give it that, I don't know, to give it some more dimension. Yes, crystals get all over the place, so beware. Alright, so you don't want to push the crystals around while it's sitting in the polygel over the top coat, because it's going to give you like a lumpy look. So yeah, just try to place it where you want to keep it, but you can always edit it, but just try to be, you know, precise. So now we're going to add crystals in the center of these flowers, which I personally liked because it just added like, you know, a nice personal touch to it, you know, and it made it look nice. Yeah, so we're going to do it just now. Yeah, boom. 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 Personal touch, I liked it. You know, and now we're gonna add cuticle oil to all the fingers and all the nails so that we can hydrate it, because you know we've been working on the nails and the cuticles dry out, just to keep the nails healthy. Alright, and these are the final products of the nails. Our glass jelly, sticker, crystal, gold foil, pearly look nails. Silver foil pearly nails. Yes. Yes, it gives that glassy. I enjoy doing this. Here's it in the sun. You know, these nails are really nice, you know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, and watch the next video in this little box. All right, so have a nice day, guys. Stay blessed. Bye.